Why was King Benjamin later changed to King Mosiah? The Mosiah 21:28 correction is significant because it was not merely a spelling adjustment or grammatical refinement, but a repair of a historical inconsistency embedded in the narrative itself. The 1830 edition, following the printer's manuscript, identified the ruler as King Benjamin, even though Benjamin had already died years earlier within the Book of Mormon's own chronology, making his appearance in this episode impossible. Joseph Smith's 1837 revision changed the name to King Mosiah. In 1849, the same correction was carried into Ether 4:1 by Orson Pratt, effectively rewriting the text to conform to the established timeline. The difficulty is that this alteration corrects a factual error rather than a transmission mistake, raising questions about the reliability of the original dictated text and the necessity of later historical repairs.